Simply Seed delivery day, everybody. Simply Seed have kindly sent us a parcel of goodies. So we're going to have a look and see what exciting things we've got from Simply Seed today. So yeah, I'm excited. Always happy when we get Simply Seed deliveries. So let's see what's in the box of goodies today. So first off, we have got some quality bird feed from Peaky Bites. Now, if you don't know, Peaky Bites is a part of a company of Simply Seed, and they do bird feed as well. So if you needed your bird feed, they have some great feed on there. So they must know that I feed the birds, because I'm going to be keeping the birds fed with this, and we'll be able to fill those bird feeders up and hopefully get some nice birds coming down, because I love seeing the birds and the wildlife down at my plot. So that is going to come in useful. I'm going to fill the bird feeders up with them this weekend. Next up, we have got some potatoes. So we'll have to get these ready for chitting. Get these ready, because we'll be planting them on Good Friday. That's when I plant all my seed potatoes, on Good Friday. It's to do with the moon. And these ones are high day red. Quite an amount in there, so yeah, we'll be able to plant all them and hopefully get some delicious potatoes. So we'll have to get those chitted, and then we've got another bag of potatoes. So these ones are Sarpro, another great variety. So yeah, another great amount of potatoes in there. So we need to get all these into us trays, chitting them away in a light, cool area. So we'll get them done. If you've not seen my video on chitting potatoes, have a look at that, and we'll probably do another video on how to chit them with those ones. We've also got some seaweed feed for plants as well, concentrate. So seaweed feed is great for growing your plants with. It's definitely worth doing, and I see loads of people using seaweed feed, and also they often go to the beach to get the seaweed as well, to dig in with the soil, because it's that good for plants, seaweed. It's a great feed for it. So yeah, that'll be perfect for my plants. So we'll have to try that out. And then we have got a massive haul of seeds. Now, you know how addicted I am to seeds, absolutely addicted to it. So let's have a look at what seeds we've got from them and see what things we can try and grow. We have got some pea Sabrinas. The frost hardy, best protected. So these we sow March to June. So yes, I love my peas, absolutely love them. Great thing, easy to grow. Just make sure they're protected from the birds and the rats and the mice when you're starting them growing, but once they get going, they'll be perfect. We've got some dwarf French beans. We've got some pea snack heroes. Now, I'm not good at saying names, so I can't read this. I really can't. Essiola peach sorbet. I'll show you on camera, but that's what we've got. I need to have a look what that is. Whether that's a flower or something, I don't know. It's not something I've heard of before, so we'll have to Google that one. We've got courgette, Latino romesco. I love my courgettes. We've got cosmos. Seen a few videos on them of people posting at the moment, sowing them, getting them sown, but being up north, we'll be starting them off next month. Butternut squash, another great thing to grow. Cauliflower, F1 hipster. Chili pepper. Now I can get those started now, but remember they need heat and they need light as well. So we might take those home and get those sown now. We've got some broccoli, purple sprouting. Absolutely love broccoli. And my favourite, beetroot as well. We're not finished yet, we've got another pack. Absolutely loads of seeds from them. And I'm going to be so excited to try all these. Now we've got some tomatoes, purple bumblebee. Another great one. I love growing weird and wonderful vegetables. Absolutely love it. My favourite, sunflowers. We always have sunflowers down at the allotment. Add some great colour. So we'll be growing them. Salad leaves, they'll be perfect for my raised beds in here. We're going to try more and more stuff in here, so they'll be perfect for my raised beds in my polytunnel. Radius Blue Moon, something else I've not heard of, so I need to Google that one as well, see what that one is. We've got some Pumpkin Fireball, I've not heard of that variety before, so again, I'll need to research that one. Like I say, I'm always learning with new stuff, absolutely learning all the time. Petunia, we love petunias, they're great in hanging baskets and great for tubs. Sweet corn, I'll definitely be having sweet corn on my allotment this year. Absolutely did fantastic last year with the sweet corn, absolutely amazing. Zinnias, another great flower. I'm going to be growing more flowers down at the plot this year, so stay tuned for us growing lots of flowers. Tomatoes, red berry. We're going to be growing lots of tomatoes in here. I'll probably end up using all these raised beds for tomatoes. Tomato indigo blue, again another weird and wonderful variety. I love different weird and wonderful ones. Winter squash, tomato cherry sweetheart, tomato sunset, and tomato honeymoon. So we have got a great variety of seeds there, and I'm definitely going to make sure that when I'm growing all these tomatoes, I'll label them all up so that when they're growing, we can take photos of them and show which ones look like what and how they've turned out and share with you all. So yeah, a great haul from Simply Seed. If you've not checked out their website, go and check out their seeds. They've got some great varieties and they're not expensive either. Always great priced as well. So have a look on their website and let me know if you use Simply Seed as well. So we're going to be getting busy next month. We're sowing all these seeds and getting everything planted. It's going to be a busy month, March. March is the time when I sow all mine and get everything started, as I'm obviously up north, so it's a lot cooler. So I'll be starting around mid-March towards the end of March with sowing all my seeds down here at the allotment in my unheated greenhouse. So fingers crossed it gets warmer and it gets a lot more light. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep going.